Lucky Orange Shopify App tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you one of the best apps that you can find on Shopify store, which will help you to attract the behavior of your customers and make sure that you're going to have some strategies from now on that you're going to let this app help you out to set up a good plan for attracting conversions or more conversions. So we are going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account and everything. Now what we're going to do is to type in on the search bar Lucky Orange, just like that. So this is the app. I'm going to search for it on the Shopify App Store. Normally this is the app, so as you can see, Lucky Orange, heat maps and replays. So this app is going to let you see visual analytics on what customers purchase, what they like, what they have been checking out on your website, where their mouse, as you can see here, this heat plan or this heat view, as you can see, or this heat map, you can call it like that, where they tend to be going or seeing right there. So as you can see, this heat map is going to let you see the let's say the behavior of the customers into your website, where they have been clicking the most into your website, like for example a specific page, a specific button, or a, let's say here, a specific product, and here you have it. So you can have some recordings, as you can see, and these recordings are going to track the movements of the clients. You can have some screenshots and etc. So this app is going to have a free plan available, and also it has some premium plans. You can see that we have, for example, a timeline, a chat, and notes. So everything is going to be recording the behaviors. So we can go ahead and have, as you can see, also some more features, like having some pop-ups for the savings, not basically the savings but for discounts, and also you can go ahead and have some of the improvements set up. Now we are going to see what do we have exactly. So we are going to get some recordings and heat maps, see what people find most interesting and not into your websites. Surveys, you can have some surveys. Why guess, for example, what your customers want when you can ask them yourselves. You can have some conversion funnels ideas, like they have pre-built them for setups, the drop off fast and etc. So basically I'm going to install the app, so I'm going to let you see in depth how the things works in here. So we are going to install it just like that, and we are going to have the name of the store, the name, and etc. So for example, Jack, like that, Smith, for example. I'm going to connect it with my Shopify account real quick. So a little reminder, guys, everything created in this video, such as email addresses and accounts, are going to be created only for the sake of the videos and not for any personal uses. So go ahead and make your own information and set up everything that you have in here. So I'm going to accept real quick the terms and conditions. I'm going to have a password, continue the setup, boom, and we are going to set up, for example, my personal site. Continue the setup. I'm going to set everything here, my store, for example, like that, boom. You can go ahead and set up your role. So I'm going to have some data right there, an analysis. So I'm going to skip all of these because I do not need them. So this is how you can set up the, as you can see, the Lucky Orange app. So basically we have the overview, the dashboard, the visitors, and the communications, the analytic tools, and the settings. Now we're going to have the overview explained. As you can see, you can install the Lucky Orange by using the as you can see, the plugin through my Shopify store. I'm going to click on the here the app. So we are going to verify the installation. No URL, as you can see, added. So we are going to add the URL. So where is it? Is this my site? So let's check out. So I'm going to see the store details. Let's see here. This is the tracking code. This is the URL. So we are going to add the website URL. I'm going to have it right there. Copy that. Set it in here. Click on save. Boom. Now we're going to have it right there. So basically we're going to verify the installation. It is going to be verified. If not, you're going to click on it. So tracking code is installed. So that means that everything is okay. Now we can see from the overview everything that we need to learn. So for example, I can go ahead and head over the dashboard and see the live visitors, the top visitors, and also the navigation from the visitors, where they at or where they from. So for the more, let's say, explained areas like visitors, you can go ahead and see where each visitor is going to be from. For example, you are going to get a track of the visitor card overview, key events, the source and duration, and also the page or the number of the page that they have consulted, just like that. So you can go ahead and have, for example, the replay of the visitor. So you can see that they have set up the visitor. This is only us having the URL. So for example, if I go here to the website and I start going out on the website itself, for example, like that, I can go ahead and head over the catalog. I can go ahead and click on a product, for example. I can go ahead and head over also to the catalog, click on another product, and I can see that I can have the specific visitor as you can see here from there. So duration that I have spent on the as you can see here on the Shopify store is going to be counted. It says 16 seconds. As you can see, it is going to be fetching the files. It has detected that the source is going to be from admin.shopify, so they have declared me as an admin. I can go ahead and have here a look on my recent, as you can see here, specific play. So I'm going to click on the play and we're going to see the elements. So as you can see, we have things like the element clicked. As you can see here, we have click the catalog, collection viewed, product viewed, and also another product viewed. So we can go ahead and have here everything set up. So for the image or the video, it is normally going to be clicked. So we have the catalog clicked, also some images, and we can go ahead and have them everything together. So here we have the collection viewed, the everything. Now you can see that we have some chats, and you can go ahead and set up some notes or internal notes from here, and then you can go ahead and have everything set up. So as you can see, this is going to be the specific usefulness of the Lucky Orange app. It is basically going to be a not a track of the customer itself, but the behavior of them. So if they have been interested into a product, like we have saw, for example, from here and there, here we have some, as you can see, delay on the video. It is not going to be clicked right away, but it is going to be something right there. So it is going to be only a technical issue. So it is going to set up everything in order. Now, after you have tracked the view of the specific clients, of course, you're not going to be tracking each one of the clients by yourself. You need a team to track all the behavior of the customers, because it is going to take a little bit of time to get studies of it. Also, you can recruit some supervisors to set up here the team and see where it is going to be getting on for the next products. You can go ahead and get back to the visitors, for example, and see the preferences, or let's say here, see the client technical. As you can see here, um, I'm going to name it as a chart. So it is going to give you the address, the device, the OS, the browser, and the original source from it. You can go ahead and give away the email, phone, and ID by having them right there. If you're going to have it as a client into your store on Shopify, you can see the duration, the session, or the number of the session, the page visited, the key events that has been set up for this client, and also you can view their cart. So this is going to be very simple. Now for the communication, you're going to have here some survey, announcements, chat invites, and etc. So you can go ahead and click on create survey for a rating, open-ended, or something like that. So you can go ahead and have multiple questions about your, maybe not your, but the experience of the visitors to your website or your store. Go ahead and get everything set up into your website by having everything set up. Now for the analytics, as you can see, we've got some data after we have set up the tracking and also the views. Now you can see that everything is going to be in details, and everything is going to be well organized in this platform. You can launch in the heat map and see if you're going to have something set up. So it is not going to be from a here an admin source, because it is not going to be working that well, but you need to see the realistic results from customers. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.